The accusative case with the definite article. The accusative case in German. Right now, if this is your first lesson in an accusative case, we're only going to be focusing on the accusative case when it deals with the direct object. There are other examples of when the accusative case is used in German, but right now we're just going to talk about it as a direct object. So, in order to figure out what's going to happen with the accusative case, you always need to know the gender of the noun, which in German can be masculine, feminine, or neuter. You can also have plural, so more than one. All right? The gender of the noun corresponds to the nominative case article. So, for example, zum Beispiel, männlich would be der, weiblich would be die, sächlich would be das, and plural is die. The definite article, if you're unsure of what the definite article is, the definite article, as we describe in English, is the word the. So in English, we just say the book, the chair, the computer, the microphone, the speaker. However, in German, those thes can be der, die, das, or the plural die. Think about the word definite when you think about definite article. Definite. You are definitely sure that's it. That means it is certain or exact. I'm not talking about any old book. I'm talking about the book. The definite, the certain, the exact book. So, as I mentioned previously, the nominative case is how we learn our genders. That means we have der, die, das. Now, something to note, all plurals in the nominative case are die. Der, die, das, die. The nominative case in German is the subject of the sentence. As I previously stated, the accusative case, for now, is when it's the direct object. Watch what happens in the accusative case. Der changes to den. Die doesn't change, it stays the same. Neuter doesn't change, it stays the same. And plural doesn't change, it stays the same. So, right now in German, we know how to say the 4 different ways. Der, die, das, den. All of these mean the. So the English chart of this would be the, or the. But in German, they change. So right now, the only one we have to worry about is accusative dative. That's the one that changes. So, for nominative case, der, die, das, die. Accusative, den, die, das, die. So, how do we figure out this direct object? Let me walk you through this. My steps that I like to use are as follows. First, find the verb in the sentence. So in the verb in this English sentence, I have the girl knows the boy. The verb or the verb phrase is knows. The next thing I ask myself is, what is the subject? To find the subject, I ask myself, who or what plus the verb. So who or what knows? The girl. Therefore, the girl is the subject of the sentence. Now I can simply plug and chug into this equation to figure out what my direct object is going to be. So I can take the subject, girl knows who or what. The girl knows who or what. The girl knows the boy. The boy is the direct object of this sentence. In German, that means it would be the accusative case. So, how would I write this in German? The girl is the subject. Das Mädchen knows. Kennen is to know. Ich kenne, du kennst, sie es kennt. Das Mädchen kennt blank Junge. I want to come back to that. So, in German, boy is masculine. And we already know that this is masculine accusative case. So we can look at our chart and we can say masculine accusative case. So we're going to use, oops, I went too far. We're going to use den. So in English, the girl knows the boy. In German, das Mädchen kennt den Jungen. So, as I said before, the in English, but there are many different thes in German.